So the other day I got a dent in my car. Now I'm about to fix the dent. I already did some of it, but you can see the mark. I'm about to get some boiling water and do some more. This is what a man's Saturday morning is gonna look like. You know, fixing your cars. I done took out the bumper by myself. I'm about to do some things to it, get the dent out, get it back in place, and just wait for the insurance check. You know how we do it. So I'm starting my second phase. Just remember that I don't have all my tools. You can still see the dent. I need something like a circular motion. But guess what we have here? We have NSC white with a little circle to it. So I'm about to use that to roll it against the thing and get the arc back. Alright, stay tuned. So I don't know if that did the trick. I think it looked a little better than when I started, but I guess the angle of impact. You want to make sure you don't do it from the outside. You probably want to do it from the inside so you don't mess up the paint. But I think I'm gonna just let it be for now. I mean, I think I did the best I can. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. I don't have all the tools, but yeah, it works. So I'm about to teach y'all how to boil on a budget. So you guys know what this is. This is you know, those annoying things in the newer cars that do the pin sound when you're backing up. Yeah, that's it. I'm about to get them installed on my car. One of the main reasons why I didn't take the car to the mechanic anyway, so I get a chance to do it myself. But yeah, I'm about to start installation. Let's see how it goes. First of all, I need some marker, and stay tuned. So I guess one of the hardest part is, you know, getting a straight line. But I think Toyota did me a favor, and you see that line right there? I think it's straight, so I think I'm just gonna follow that line, and I'm just gonna go a feet. I mean, I marked it as about 4 feet, so I'm just probably gonna go a feet in between each other, and just drill some oil. Like I said, and you probably want to do it from the inside of the bumper. One of the reasons why you got to take the bumper out in the first place. But yeah, hopefully I don't mess up my car. Well, if it's messed up, it's just a bumper. You can always fix another one. But stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. So I don't know if you guys can see. I don't even think I can know the drilling or the bumper at the same time. But this is gonna be my start. I'm gonna get it out here. I think it's gonna come out somewhere right here. Well, you guys stay tuned. I mean, like I said, I wish I had a full production studio where I can do this and you guys can see. But let's see how this goes. I'm kind of like nervous. At the same time, I'm just yellow. So we got our very first hole in it. So I should probably try to get one of these things and see how it fits. I mean, I think it did nice. I mean, there's not really like a big scuff outside of it, so I think it's gonna go pretty nice inside of it. But stay tuned. So I got the very first one in. You can see how it's gonna look like. The wire is gonna come out here, you know, fix the bumper back, you know, run the wires back into the car. And yeah, the good thing is they got a silver color, so it matches the car. Yeah, and hopefully prevent more damages from the back. And this looks nice, I mean, except from the scuffs and stuff like that, but it doesn't look like it's been in some major, I mean, it wasn't a major accident anyway, but yeah, 10% done. Yeah, I got the second one in. And I got my shot there I do playing, you know, give me company. So we got the first one, and we got the second one. For some reason, I just feel like it's out of place, but I mean, like, you know, proportionate to this distance right here. But I guess when I put it in, you probably won't notice anyways. We got it in. I just got my 2 marks. Put one right here and put one right here. So we got the 4 holes in there. I'm about to put the sensors in. I got my shop line. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got all the sensors in. It was kind of hard, but you know, I did 15 inches apart to some ones, and I did 12 inches apart on the other one, so that way you capture some movement around the corner over there. Now I think the hardest part is getting the rubber thing to go into the plastic, into the bumper. As long as your mind and ears. Open the eyes of your mind, your ears and mouth, as you hear my words. By the way, this is my yard. Nice apartment complex, ain't it? Yesterday. So we got the 4 sensors in. They were a little tough to get in because they had like this rubber thing around them to keep them in place. But I think I did my best to get them in. You can hardly notice. I think they came out good though. So I just made these 2 holes in this rubber garment. So they're gonna go right here. The other one is gonna go right here. So but so far so good. Everything looks good. I mean, the bumper is back in place. I would show you guys the before and after so you can see what it looked like before the dent. I'm still a little curious. I don't think it's straight, but I think I did the best I can. Yeah, I'm about to go do something now, so I'll come back to it. Probably won't be able to finish it now, but stay tuned. So this is my first time doing a video blog. I know I haven't done a very good job, but continuation. So we got this is where we're gonna be getting power for the sensor right here. So I gotta connect it to all the sensors in the back. So I'll be already tapped into the wires already. Don't mind the music, but bear with me. I should have showed a video on how to do the woofer also, but we're just starting with this thing. So we got that right there. So for those people that want to know, the positive one is the red one, and the negative is the white and black. So you want to tap into that one, and you just want to click your thing back. So I have all the wires set up. Run them under the thing right there. That's the control panel. Probably gonna go up here, and I'm probably gonna put like a rubber garment around it. Meanwhile, just keep listening to the music and enjoying yourself. I should probably lower it so that way. But yeah, we're almost done. I need to go out anyways. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So we got into a little problem. The wires weren't long enough, so I'm gonna use this extension wires to get the control module down into the back of this thing right here. I'm kind of like in a time crunch right now, so I'm gonna just hurry everything up and finish it up later on. But I got the testers to make sure my positive are my positive and my negative are my negative, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna get that back there and trying to finish up.